Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Kaspa news. Everyone is panicking right now. Crypto is crashing hard and Kaspa is following the trend, now valued at 12.6 cents, down roughly 13% on the daily time frame. The questions I imagine you're asking right now is why, what and when? Why is this happening? What is the next step? And when will it happen? Well, to just get straight into it, we have it here from Uphold's Director of Research, Dr. Martin Heisberg. He posted only an hour or two ago from the recording of this video, very recently. The number of bitcoins held by the miners has been on a rapid decline in the weeks leading up to the halving. Miners currently hold an estimated 1.794 million bitcoin, the lowest since early 2021, the start of the worst crypto bear market in history. The shift likely stems from miners selling the coins to upgrade equipment to ensure sustainability after the impending halving of rewards in 1 week's time in 7 days. However, this is a departure from previous halvings like the event of 2020, which saw miners hold onto mined bitcoins before the halving. So what does that mean? Well, as we should all know, after the halving, the rewards the miners will receive from mining Bitcoin will be much less, and therefore they will need to mine more Bitcoin to keep making the same amount of money they're making right now. As a result, the miners are selling their Bitcoin so they can afford to upgrade their equipment post-halving. Pretty self-explanatory, but if you paid attention to the last sentence, the problem here is the miners aren't doing the same thing they did last time. The last Bitcoin halving, they didn't sell their coins. So they're doing something new here, and this has therefore caused FUD to spread throughout the market, increasing the sell pressure of crypto and causing crypto to start crashing. The good news though, again if you paid attention, is the miners seemingly are aiming to do this to upgrade their equipment and ensure sustainability, meaning that long term, crypto and Bitcoin is going to do better. But that isn't the only reason though why right now, short term side of things, that crypto is crashing. Bitcoin is a fair launch proof of work, meaning technical analysis is more reliable. And as we can see again from Dr. Martin Heisberg, beware of the mountains of Kong. This is a very common trading pattern. The McDonald's sign, this double peak, with the second peak in particular being slightly lower because there wasn't enough buy pressure to break above the previous peak. Therefore, more often than not, it always results in a reverse correction, a massive reverse of momentum, and a heavy correction in the price. Which also further explains as to why crypto is crashing. So does this mean you should sell your crypto, sell your Kaspa? Well, this is not financial advice, always do your own research, but me personally, I thank the gods that this happened. But before I get into why, if you don't want to miss out on any latest Kaspa content, then please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe. But now, what is the next step? Hong Kong is actually set to approve their spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in just 2 to 3 days time, on Monday according to Bloomberg, which is massive news. As I mentioned previously, the halving is only 1 week away now, closer than ever. And Kaspa has its own collection of major bullish catalysts. The hash rate and price lines have recently touched again, and as seen in this green box we can see here, the price has historically risen sharply every single time after such an event. So Kaspa's on the verge of a breakout. Also, Kaspa on Rust is officially now in beta, as I mentioned in my last video, for the mainnet, and the relative strength index has cooled off nicely, so it remains exciting for Kaspa. And as of today, or yesterday I guess, the 11th of April, 18%, so almost a fifth of public nodes are now running on the new Rust. And 9.4% of blocks, almost 10%, are being mined by Rust nodes. The progress is very real. The speed of these developments is slowing down for no one. So you see all of these major catalysts, and you think logically, not emotionally, and you think Kaspa is done? Are you joking? Are you joking? Because what I personally see here is another incredible opportunity. If you've been watching my channel for a while now, you will remember a few weeks back, around the 17th or 18th of March, when I told you that this green box, this green buy zone if you will, this area between 11.3 to 11.8 cents is likely to be the bottom for Kaspa. And I was right. Kaspa corrected on the 20th of March to this region and immediately flipped and surged to 15 cents. I stand firm in that prediction. Despite this correction, despite this FUD, despite this crash, I still strongly believe that the bottom for Kaspa is 11.3. It will not correct below 11.3 cents. But worst case, even if it does, Kaspa isn't done. Institutional adoption and money is in crypto. Do you understand how massive that news is? How big, how bullish this crypto bull is going to be? The most volatile bull run of our lifetime. Millionaires, the biggest wealth transfer of our lifetime. And Kaspa is equally like Bitcoin, a fair launch proof of work project, except Kaspa is already faster than Bitcoin, faster than any other blockchain, with the promise to become even faster, 10 blocks per second, 32, even potentially 100. And also, just to put it in there, the only project to solve the trilemma. So in my opinion, not if, when. When will the research happen? When will Bitcoin Kaspa, when will Kaspa break out? Look, I'm no psychic, right? I'm not going to tell you a date like 20th of April at 5:32 p.m. I don't know. I don't know the exact time or dates, but based on the research I've done and what I believe, there will be a breakout that happens sometime this month. I strongly believe that. And in my opinion, my money is that it's closer than ever. The Bitcoin halving is only a week away. Hong Kong's getting involved in ETF in a few days. I honestly couldn't be more thankful, more excited, as you should be too, about the correction in price. It's a perfect time to DCA and fill your bags. Because when are you going to see another 12 cents Kaspa? Ask yourself that question. And all I ask is that you remember me when you become rich and successful. And as always, don't be emotional, be logical.